Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be cleaning the filter for my Whirlpool dishwasher. It's been a hot minute since I've cleaned it, and on my last video, which has been out for a while, there were some questions about how to take the filters off, so I'm going to show you guys how to do that today. I have a ton of other dishwasher videos. I will link them down in the description box below. But for my Whirlpool dishwasher, I have two filters. We have this one right here. It's like a flat filter, and then I have a circular filter here. As you can see, it is chock full of stuff, so you're going to want to position this spinner so that it's not in the way. So I have it at a diagonal. All right, you're going to want to grab your circular filter and you're going to want to turn it to the left. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Turn it to the left and then pull it up, and you can see how disgusting my filter is. So I'm going to just stick it in the sink for right now. And then my second filter is this part right here. You're just going to take it up, and you can see I have a bunch of stuff there. And nothing is at the bottom right now. So if there was stuff down there, you can grab it out. But my dishwasher is off, so I'm gonna add both of these in here. Then I'm gonna show you how to clean them. Alrighty, so here are my two filters. And turn on the water. The first one is super easy to clean. We're just gonna rinse this off. I probably could have scraped this into the trash can, but I'm not going to. Look at that sticker gunk. Gonna want to make sure you get that off. I don't even know what all this stuff is. Got some hair in there too. I don't know what's been going on here. All right, so I'm just gonna spray it down and wash it. If there are any other dishwasher videos you are wanting me to make, let me know down in the comments below. I am not a repair person. I share these videos because I've just been a homeowner for a number of years, and these are some of the things that I've figured out are important to do with my dishwasher to make sure that it has a long life. And you're just going to want to flip it around, and you can see down in here that there are some things that are caught in the netting that you want to just make sure you're taking out, because this will clog up your dishwasher and make the water collect down at the bottom. You can also get your spray nozzle and do a little power wash right in there if it's really bad. Okay, so this one is pretty clean now at this point. Okay, so we'll set that aside. And then this one's looking pretty bad. Look at all the stuff that I let get in there. So I'm going to take some of it with my hands. And I can already hear the comments that we should spill off our plates into the trash can before we stick them in the dishwasher. But you know what? It doesn't always happen. Kids load their own plates sometimes, and you know, things just get stuck in here. So it's important to get it clean. All right, so a lot of the big stuff is out now, so now we're gonna wanna go ahead and wash the netting. Again, I like to spray it with some Dawn, just to also like disinfect it too. Rub that around. Obviously, we're not going to put it back with soap in it. Oh, it's already looking much better. And then for this one, I definitely like to use one of these sprayers. If you don't have one, it'll just probably take a little bit more time to scrub it out, or you can use a scrubber. So I do like the water just pounding through all of that. All right, there we go. I would recommend that you do this weekly. if you want to keep it looking fresh. I usually do it weekly, but to be honest, it's gotten away from me. I probably haven't done it in close to a month. So it can get pretty bad, and if it does, it will back up the water if in your dishwasher if the water is not able to drain. So, and it'll also make your dishwasher smell. So you want to make sure that you have a clean filter. All right, so it took me a minute to get all that done. Oops. Now I'm going to take you back into the dishwasher and show you how to put everything back. To put everything back, you're going to want to start with your flat filter first, and you're going to see that there's these little grooves on either side. So you're going to make sure that your filter is underneath both, and it should slide right in and sit flush right there. And then you're going to take your newly cleaned cylinder filter, stick it back in there, and then you're going to turn it to the right, righty-tighty. And there you go. It is all clean and back in place and ready for a fresh dishwasher cycle. So that's it, guys. That's how you clean your Whirlpool dishwasher filters. If you liked this video and found it helpful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.